My name is Chloe and my mommy doing my hair today.
And it is
beautiful.
Hey ladies and gents, it's your girl Khadija L and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today I'm doing my daughter's hair, of course. Her name is Chloe and this is going to be a do-it-yourself toddler hairstyle. When I tell you this is extremely easy, it's very simple. It's damp right now and I always like to do her hair while it's damp. I do not like to work with her hair while it's dry because as you can see, she's 100% natural. Yes, I never permed her hair or anything. So today I'm just going to part it into two parts. Well, one part I'm just going to part the top ponytail and the back ponytail, and that's how I'm separating the hair right now. So what you will need for this tutorial is whatever hair grease that you choose. I have Blue Magic, any kind of gel. I use Eco Styling Gel because I feel like it's softer and it's more helpful for the hair versus any hard gel since it's a kid. And I do spray Got To Be glue just to keep those flyaways away. And yes, make sure you have a wide tooth comb if your daughter is natural. I prefer that for any hair versus a fine, comb. I prefer a wide tooth comb because it's just better. But anyway, everything else is just really self-explanatory. Again, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video and comment below for any other videos that you would like to see. I will tune in every now and then to let you guys know what's going on. But thank you for watching again. So right now, right here, I'm just doing her little baby hairs, just putting a little pizzazz to it, making sure everything is sleeked back into that ponytail. now it's time to start adding the braiding hair. This is Expressions pre-stretched hair, and as you can see, I went ahead and I cut the hair in half because I didn't want it as long. And what I did was stretch it again, and then I sectioned it off in 3 little sections on my right side of me, as you can see. And those are the hairs that I will be feeding into the braid. So right now I'm about to start doing the plaits, and what I do is section the hair off in 3 sections. And this is my edge booster that I use, and I just use this to tame the curliness of the hair, to straighten it out a bit when I'm braiding it. So what I'm going to do is separate that into 3 strands like you're doing a regular braid, and you're going to see me start to put my hair into the braids. The hairs that I section off that are on my right side, I'm just going to start to feed those hair into the braids, and that just gives it a natural effect. So right now I'm about to start beating the hair, and as you can see, I take my beater and I just put the hair between that hole and I slide the beads up onto the hair. This is very helpful, and it cuts out a lot of time. And I count my beads when I put them on, so I did 9 beads per braid, and this just really helps everything come into union versus having one braid longer than the other. I try to make sure I keep them all the same lengths. So I want to go ahead and secure that last bead and cut that piece of hair off that's left of the braiding hair, and I just continue to do this to the back. And I did the same thing with the front. I braided it down, I fed the hair into the braids, and did the beater again for the same thing for the front, basically, that I'm doing for the back. And as you can see, I added a little bourrette in the back a little earlier on before I started braiding, and that just gives it a nice little look in the back versus just that rubber band there.
It's beautiful, and press on subscribe if you want to watch it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.